Coach Big Bags of Spring 2025. Coach's Spring 2025 collection features a variety of large bags that are both stylish and functional. Here are some highlights. The Chain Tabby 26, a new interpretation of the iconic Tabby bag, featuring a metallic chain strap and details inspired by leathercraft. Giant coin purses. These oversized purses come in a variety of shapes and sizes, including bears, dinosaurs, lips, hearts, and clasp frame clutches. Oversized backpacks. These spacious backpacks are perfect for carrying all your essentials. Classic shoulder bags. Coach's classic shoulder bags are available in a variety of styles and colors. You can shop the Coach Spring 2025 collection online or in stores. As for the bags, they, too, ooze hints of classic Coach with modern touches. Kiss Lock bags dating back to the Bonnie Cashin era appear on buttery soft oversized pouches that are relevant to the now. Mini bags and backpacks are also finished with the same iconic frame closure, some with graffiti finishes. A bevy of bag charms appear throughout, speaking to the next generation and proving that no matter your age, fashion doesn't have to be serious, it can be fun, and it can feel fuss-free.